In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Praise and blessing be upon you all. All praise is due to Almighty Allah. I am the Muminul Islam, state then on 4 August 2024, I issued a writing declare calling for the final implementation of one-point movement and in project Rochester under the Digital Information Technology Act to Assembly in New Bangladesh. On 5 August 2024, proclaimed the vision of a sovereign and independent New Bangladesh. I express my deep respect and prayers for those who sacrificed their lives during the movement. I also provide for the souls of the United Nations and the leader of the world, extending greetings on behalf of New Bangladesh. I am the Muminul Islam. Hereby submit the report and write objection on to entry 2502 year in accordance by the Digital Information Technology Act and relevant legal provision addressed to the Honorable Chief Justices of the International Crime Tribunal, including those in England, Gambia, the Netherlands, Rome, and the World All Crime Tribunal, in accordance with the constitutional provision and applicable laws. I hereby declare decide their 10th election to be invalid and unconstitutional, and therefore I formally prohibit and disable it. Furthermore, I declare the president appointed by the fascist regime to be illegitimate and hereby prohibit such appointment. I also declare the army chiefs appointed by the fascist authority to be illegitimate and provided. I strongly condemn such simple and this crime in authority action in the strongest possibly them in accordance by the constitutional provision and applicable laws. I hereby declare this side writing election to be invalid and all constitutional, and therefore I formally prohibit and solve it. Furthermore, I declare the president appointment by the regime to be illegitimate and hereby provide such and I fall for transparency, accountability, and lawful governance in accordance right constitutional and legal principle. I urge all citizens to remain possible, united, and committed to justice, sovereignty, and the welfare of the nation. May Allah protect us all. Thank you.